Hello, Matt here. In today's video we continue the rally car build by making racing seat mounts for this Citroen AX. Let's go already! Now here's the plan. This is how they did it on Group N cars, and this is how we'll do it here. First off, I have to grind off the paint right here, and this reinforcement is where we will weld in two plates like this. Then we'll do the same on this side. Grind everything down, weld in two plates. This is where the seat was mounted originally, so plates should be welded in here easily. Then we'll have two bars running across. I'll have holes, actually I'll have studs in them, and this is where we will mount the seats. First, let me grind all of this off, then I'll show you what we have, then I'll show you how we weld it in. And this is what we will be welding in. I think it's Rimmel steel, so strong, quite strong enough. And this was a military bed. This is what we will be using as a seat mounts. Why can't we just bolt in an aftermarket solution? Well, this is what AX have actually. This one was already busted, but whatever. But yeah, I can't actually use these. I could use these, but then seat mounting position would be too high. And on the other side, as I showed you, you're mounting on the side. So my first idea was, and also can you see how much misaligned these holes are? It's like 10 centimeters apart. So I started building a base which would bolt in here, then go down and everything, so everything is bolted in. But why? I mean, I can just weld it in here and therefore even reinforce the chassis, make everything better and sturdier. So we'll do it that way. This is what I was talking about. These are the welding positions. Now, unfortunately, I cannot get it straight because they're, yeah, not sure I will be able to weld it in straight in here. Maybe I can do it, I don't know, we'll see. Let's weld in the plates, then we'll cut the steel bars we need and try to get them as parallel as possible. We need exactly 25 centimeters distance here from bolt to bolt and 37.5 width-wise. Test fit, this is the idea. Seating position almost perfect. Yeah, as low as it can go. I'm happy with how low it is. We'll try and get it a bit lower, but that's it. Hopefully there will be enough clearance for the roll cage back here, because I really don't want to put that seat forwards too much. And let me take the seat out and show you. Basically this is it. As I mentioned, I first need some reinforcement plates here, so that's a bit thicker and sturdier, and here, and then we'll throw this in, weld everything together. I will have studs protruding from down there up onto this, and yeah, this is also acting like a bit of a chassis reinforcement, so that's good. Let's get on with building it. Another quick update on what we are doing. These are all welded in. These are now welded in. Figuring out this wire problem as I go, so the welds are looking better. And this is now mostly fitted. A bit of sanding on the edges until I get it to sit as flush as it can. This will be a bit higher than this one. We'll get this one in, adjust everything with the seat, and then we need to fit the seat to that, and that you'll see later. Now time to get this out, and that will be hard because a fucking pushed it in too hard. And this is what it is. Let me show you right now. This is straight. I mean, it's parallel to this, so. And so is this. We have a bit of angle right here, which I wanted. We have holes to be drilled marked right here. And now we take them out, drill them all the way, put some bolts through them, weld them so they are captive on the other side, that they cannot spin, put everything back in here and weld it all together, and we'll be done. We have these stacked in place now. Hopefully they didn't move. This now gets welded into place completely. A bit of seam sealer, paint, and we're done. Seam sealer, lick of paint. Looks like a pro made this. Always love to hide my welds. Now, when this dries out, I'll put this in, bolt it down, and show you what we've done. The seat is mounted, and it's like, as you can see, I'm moving the car. Now let's see if I fit. Yeah, seating position is like perfect. This will be elongated around here, short throw, and hydro handbrake somewhere around here, so it's not in the way, or somewhere, I don't know, somewhere. But yeah, I am sitting in a racing seat. I have, it will be enough room for a helmet, and with this we can call this done. Actually, we need to build another one, but that comes tomorrow, and I mean, it's the same, just reversed, so you don't need to see that. You already saw this. Well, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, well, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it. Means a lot. As I always say, the bigger the channel, the bigger the projects. While you are at it, why not subscribe to see how this all works out. As I said, for now, this is it. Well, as always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!